Good afternoon to the students of class 7. Students, today again chapter 17, areas of rectangles and squares. We are going to do, let's work out 17. Come to question number 11. The question is, as seen in the figure, two 5-meter wide path is dividing a rectangular garden into 4 equal parts. The length and breadth of the rectangular garden is 60 meter and 40 meter respectively. Calculate the cost of paving the path at rupees 80 per square meter and also find the area of each part of the land. So here two subpart questions have been given. Children, here at first we will have to find the cost of paving the path. So that means we will have to calculate the area of the path first. So you can see a cross path as shown in the figure. One rectangle is running vertically and another running horizontally. So here in the vertical rectangle, the length will be 40 meter and breadth will be 5 meter. Why 5 meter? Because here in the question the width of the path is given, which is 5 meter. So that is why the length will be 40 meter and the breadth is 5 meter. And for the horizontal rectangle, the length will be equal to the length of the garden, which is 60 meter, and the breadth will be 5 meter. So now in both the cases you need to calculate the length and the breadth and then find out the area. We will have to find out the area. So here at first you are going to find out the length of the bigger rectangle. That means this rectangle ABCD. That means a rectangular garden which is having length 60 meter and breadth 40 meter. So you are writing the length 60 meter, breadth 40 meter. Then after that area of rectangle ABCD will be length into breadth, that is 60 into 40, which is equals to 2400 square meter. So this is the area of rectangle ABCD. Now you need to take out the area of the horizontal rectangular path that is having breadth 5 meter and length 60 meter. So you are calculating the area of rectangle, that is EFGH, which is 60 into 5, that is 300 square meter. And in rectangle IJKL, that means the vertical rectangular path which I have shown you, that is having the length 40 meter. That means in this particular rectangle, in this vertical rectangle, it is having length equals to this length, which is 40 meter, and the width, that is the breadth, will be 5 meter. So you are calculating the area as 5 into 40, that is 200 square meter. So now you are getting the area of common square. That means, let me explain you this part. The common square means this portion, which is coming in common for both the cases. When we are considering the horizontal rectangle also, when we are considering the vertical rectangle also, it is coming into consideration twice. Now why this is a square? Because the adjacent sides are of equal length, which is equal to 5 meter. That is the width of the path. Now this is coming into consideration twice. So we need to consider it once only. So that's why we will have to subtract this 25. Why 25? Because the area of the square will be 5 into 5, that is 25 square meter. So you are writing the area of the two cross paths equals to 300 plus 200 minus 25, that is 475 square meter. Now by the question it is said that the cost of paving 1 square meter is rupees 80, and you need to find the cost of paving 475 square meter, because this is the total area of the cross path, which is equal to 80 into 475, that is rupees 38,000. So this is, children, all about the first part. Now come to the second part of the question. In the second part of the question, you will have to calculate the area of each rectangular land. That means the area of each portion. This area you need to calculate. So how shall you calculate this area? You will have to subtract the total area of rectangle ABCD minus the area of the cross paths. So you are going to do the subtraction here. 2400 minus 475, that is equals to 1925. Now children, the total 4 areas, each area are of equal length. Sorry, it is of equal area. Each area is of equal measure. So that's why what you will do, the area of one part of the land will be equals to 1925 by 4. You are dividing by 4 because the areas are equal in all the 4 cases, and after division you are getting 481.25 square meter. So you are going to write the answer. Cost of paving the paths is rupees 38,000 and the area of each part of land is 481.25 square meter. Now the next question. In the figure given below, find the areas of the colored portions. Now children, here you can see that one rectangle is present inside another rectangle. So for this, finding out the area of the shaded portion or the colored portion, in this what you will do? You will at first need to calculate the area of the whole figure ABCD, then after that subtract the area of rectangle BGFE from it. Then only you will get the area of the shaded parts. So first write down in rectangle ABCD, that is outer rectangle, the length AD is 18 meter and the breadth DC is 12 meter. So you are finding out area of rectangle ABCD, that is length into breadth, which is 18 into 12, that is 216 square meter. Now just look at the figure. The length is 18 meter and this portion is 4 meter. So we can take out this whole portion, that is the length of the inner rectangle. How we will find it out? By subtracting 4 from 18. This portion you are subtracting from the whole portion. So you will get this value of this portion. You will get the value of this portion, which is 18 minus 4, that is 14 meter. So this is 14 meter and this value is 9 meter. So you can now take out the area of inner rectangle also by multiplying length into breadth. So 14 into 9, that is 126 square meter. So you are writing area of colored portion is 216, that is the area of the outer rectangle minus the area of inner rectangle, which is 126. So 216 minus 126, you are getting 90 square meter. Alright children, so you are going to listen to the explanation from the video and work out the given sums in your classwork notebook. Thank you for today.